Hello and welcome to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to learn the 3 most important basics of Kizomba. We will start with basic step 1, which is to use 2 beats with each foot. Guys will always start with the left leg and girls with the right leg. The times would be the following: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For basic step 2, we will move laterally in the mirror. Guys just the same with the left leg, girls with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For basic step 3, we will move the boys forward, the girls backward. We go there, same leg forward, we will step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, always in time, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, stop. It seems very simple, but now things get complicated. When we dance Kizomba, we embrace and we have to try to avoid jumping and moving our shoulders. We have to keep our rib cage still to lead the girl. Let's imagine that both the guy and girl carry a glass of water and we don't want it to fall. Then we would step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you look at the knees of the girl, you will see where to move the weight. Basic step 2 and open, touch, don't jump, don't add any spice, the spice is all down here. Basic step 3 and 1, 2, touch, 1, 2, touch. In this step, we begin to move. We have already explained the position of Kizomba, where we transfer the weight in front, and we always have to respect this position. When she goes forward, his torso is aligned with the weight of his body on the metatarsals. Therefore we go 1, 2 and 3, and when he goes backwards it's the same. His torso forward, looking for the contact of the girl, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. For the girl, when the guy is going forward, not going backward, we always have to go with the weight in front and close to our partner. We're going to show you how we make these 3 basic moves. We grab, step 1. We will also call the first step Tarashina. If you look at it, it is when the girl moves her hips. Step 2. Step 3. Always try to place the guy in front of the girl. This is our lesson for today's video. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more to come. We'll see you next time.